Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare whole wheat loaf. For this I will need water. Into that I will add some honey. To this I am going to add active yeast. And some salt, and I will mix it well. This is completely a vegetarian bread. I have not added egg into it. Now my yeast has been bloomed, and now I am going to add it to the flour. This is whole wheat flour. First I will mix it with the spatula and then put it on the work surface and knead it for around 10 minutes till it comes together. Now I have added the butter to it. I will knead it for more 5 minutes after adding butter, and I will leave it to rest for around 10 minutes till all the butter melts. If you have put soft, my butter was cold, so I need some time for it to get soft in the dough. If your butter is soft, then you can continue kneading the dough. I'm going to now knead the dough again till it becomes nice and elastic. I'm continuing to knead the dough. It's been around 15 minutes now. The more you knead the dough, the better the texture of the bread becomes. So now I'm going to grease the ball and put my dough to rest for around 1 hour. It's 1 hour now, and I'm going to remove my dough, put it on the work surface, and I will give it a shape and then put it in my loaf tin. I'm leaving this dough again in the tin to rise for around 1 hour, and then I will bake it at 250 degrees Celsius for around 30 minutes. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. You can grease it with the uh, milk or with the butter or even with the egg. It's totally up to you. I have made this loaf purely vegetarian. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.